Hello, my name is Paul Whitehorn with Dent Repair USA. I will be the one that will come out and do the repair on your vehicle if you choose to use us. So I want to get you a quote right now, and this is exactly what I need for you to do in order for me to tell you exactly how much it's going to cost for me to repair your dent, or at least to be able to give you a really solid ballpark of what it's going to be. So essentially, I need to know what the year, make, and model of the vehicle you have is. I also need to have an image of the dent if it's visible, okay? If the dent is so small and you're having a lot of difficulty getting me an image, really what I need you to do is I need you to put your finger out, right, with your camera and snap a photo, because I want to know if it's that small, I know I can fix it, right? It's not a question, as long as it's in the right place. So I just want to know where it's located at on that panel so that I can give you an accurate quote right now. And so if that doesn't work, I mean, if a video, if you can give me a video, this form takes up to 2 gigabytes, okay? I mean, don't upload me, Gladiator, or, 300 or something. Don't do that. But, if it's a short video that, is going to run like 15, 20, even 30 seconds on most smartphones, this form can take it. The other thing is I get the data immediately, okay? So it's not this big turnaround in order to get it. So just go ahead and fill out the form. If you can upload images right away, do so. If you're having trouble with the form or you don't want to use the form, it's too much work for you, that's fine too. Just text me the data. It does take a lot longer for me to get the data that way, but feel free to do so. Or just simply give me a call on the phone. I will help you through every step of the process to get you an accurate quote and get the dent removed today.